Right. So everybody remembers the GAN unboxing. That was pretty good. That was awesome, right? But the thing is, that was only one cube. What's better than one cube? 2 cubes! Yeah, alright, we got more. I got the Moyu Meilong 2M, which is magnetic stickless, and then the Moyu Meilong 4M. I was like, I need a 4x4 and a 2x2. And so it was just like, fine, let's get a Moyu. So, this is a learning process on how to open these boxes. That's tape. Do I need a knife? Alright. Okay, there, I got it. Somehow. What? Oh, that's the... Oh. What is that? I'm not gonna bother with that too much. I just need the cube out. Oh, amazing box feel. Out, baby. We'll get to that in a bit. This is the accessories box. Pretty light. Hear that in there. Okay, where do I open this at? Oh, there we go. Got it open. So this is a Manuel. Oh, it's just saying stuff. If you know Mandarin, this is amazing. Got a screwdriver, and that's it. It was a screwdriver and Mandarin. Amazing. So, throw that away. Don't need that. Okay. Oof. And we got the stand, the Moyu stand. Hold on, get in there. Really get in there. There. You know what? No, something cursed. That's cursed. That's too cursed. Alright. Oof. Huh. It feels alright. It's not the best, it's not the worst. It's not the best, not the worst. It feels okay. It's a little soft, but that's all right. It's a little soft, yeah, soft boy. Put this bad boy over here. Now the 2x2. Oh look, they have a diagram. Do they have a diagram on this one? No, I mean they do, actually. This feels soft. This is a soft boy right here. I mean, compared to the GAN, I mean it is a 4x4. You can't give them much for that. It's a 4x4. So they tried. And yes, there's the Meilong logo. Yeah. All right. Put that over there. Now let's get to this bad boy. Open sesames! Oh, there we go. Is there even an accessory box in here? We'll get to this bad boy in a sec. Oh, come on. Out. There you go. Little protector thingy. Accessories box. Come on. Out. Out. Accessories box now. Oh god. It's all going down. It's probably just gonna be the same thing. Mandarin and the screwdriver. Mandarin pamphlet, and then a screwdriver. Let's see. Screwdriver, check. Man, actually, huh. I wonder who this is. Do they have the Mandarin pamphlet? They do. Actually, there's more in here. Huh. I wonder who this is. Amazing. Phenomenal. Get back in there. Get to the cube. Alright. It's all packaged together. Put that with the rest. Make sure this goes in here because I don't want to mix that up with the 4x4's box. That was way worse. Okay, put that to the side too. And get out of here. How'd you fall? I'll do a video sawing that eventually. This, on the other hand, I can do now. So, this is the Melong 2x2. Ooh. Huh. Their system here, it's like made by it seems like, hold on. It feels like a bigger cube though. It feels like it should process like a bigger cube. Like the system in it. Hold on. Okay, at least they're bigger. They're not all the same size. That's good. But this feels like it's gonna fall apart in my hands. Then again, I'm used to 3x3s and all that. Let's try solving one. Let's try solving a 2x2. This is one of the first 2x2. Also,
yes, you can kill the items. Ever so slightly kill them. They're in there. I'm gonna see if I can solve the 2x2. Easily. Easy. Let's get that over there. Up here, where is that?
oh, corner twisting is impossible on these cubes. What about this one? God, yeah. Then again, this is a 4x4. It seems weird. This one, this fella. Yeah, I'll solve that in a later video. I'm done. Get the Moyu stands out. Actually, this goes here. I'll solve these two cubes in a future video. Hopefully timed. Oh, I don't have a stand for this bad boy. You just get to stand on your box. Oh, phenomenal. Well, that's the unboxing video for today. This, if I had to rate these cubes out of 10, ooh, this one is just way too soft. This one's soft. Think frosted plastic on a GAN cube, but then just way softer. It feels like the soft GAN cube. I felt that one before. This one, it feels soft. I mean, it doesn't feel as soft, but it feels like it's about to fall apart. So, you know, horrible design by Mayu. Yeah, this feels, I might need to tighten this bad boy. Let's get the unofficial screwdriver. Oh my god. It's unofficial. Unofficial. Let's tighten this real quick. doesn't feel any better tightened. I don't think that this will be the exact same. This will be the exact same. Well, you can sort of finger trick it. This one, yeah, you can finger trick it, but it like. This one just feels bad. Alright, well, I do not recommend getting these as, well, if it's your first, like, trainer cube, sure, but if you're looking to get a speed cube out of these, nah, get a better one. Get a GAN. Go get GANs. Go buy GANs. Unless one of you decided to, you know, give me money to say these are good, sure. Alright, well, it's been G-Real. Sorry for the late upload. Goodbye.